year wala ka.
Nag-edit po. Palabas na rin po yun. Palabas na rin po kami. This year, I think we have 2 projects. One next year. Pero lahat po yung nagawa na.
Lahat nakakanta siya?
Nakakanta na po. Hindi lang po pinapakita.
Yung movie mo, wait, Miss Love Abilia, yung movie mo.
Next year po.
Ano nga tayo?
Hey Joe po.
Hey Joe.
Hey Joe.
It's about Joe. And then we have Katlea Killer.
Yes.
Along with
Na pinuri sa abroad.
International Productions. That one is a series naman po. And then I'm also working, I actually just finished this January on a pure action film with Direct Richard Solis naman po.
So mas ano ka ngayon, mas movies, walang teleserye muna?
I think because of the, frankly speaking, because of what yung napanood sa ABS, everyone know. So siguro this is the best time to push for content outside, to be given us the privilege to be noticed outside as a whole, not as an individual, frankly speaking, really. I just really want to push it for worldwide market na. No? The Philippines, sabi nga nila, kahit hindi tayo umim ng Hollywood, kahit Southeast Asia lang, where the Philippines was actually #1 before. So why not? Why can't it happen again? You know, we have so much good actors here that really have to be given more opportunity. And it shouldn't be actor-based ating mga scripts. To have pure development, it should be story-based more than actor-based. And those are things that we have to work on. And again, with Chairman Doc de Venecia, we're all aligned naman po in the creative industry, stepping foot in between the government, the productions and actors, to make sure that also we were able in years to come, you know, in God's name, we're able to create a very efficient and healthy environment or ecosystem for the whole of the industry.
You're very happy na with your love life, your career, pero masaya rin si Rhea ngayon.
Opo.
Gano'n ka naman happy for your sister?
Oh, I'm so happy for her.
And her Sandra.
Yeah, I'm very happy. I haven't seen her that happy in a long time.
Wow.
And obviously, I mean,
okay.
It's a different not that she's not happy.
Yeah.
My sisters are very happy. This is extra happy. This is a different type of love, you know. It's a partnership, and I'm very happy to see them grow. I heard about it. I saw them grow. I'm just happy for her. Happy for them both.
Boto ka naman talaga kay Sandra.
I'm both with him at the same time. I don't really meddle with my sisters. Any of them.
Personally.
Alam nila yan, I don't meddle. Basta don't hurt my sisters. That's the only thing I say. I don't meddle.
Pero nag-usap kayo ni Arj.
May sinabi ka sa kanya?
Ba kayo?
Hindi po, but I guess that's already a given. Right? I mean, it's a man's word naman siguro. Diba nagpakilala siya sa family. And we'll take it sincerely. And he's a sincere person, so why doubt? Diba? Why doubt? Wala naman kung ano. So, being kind is very papakita po. Thankful also.
Yung pag-merge ng GMA at ABS-CBN.
Sorry ba?
Pag-merge ng GMA at ABS-CBN sa teleserye.
Opo.
Willing ka din na...
Reaction mo yun.
Reaction mo.
Saka ano.
Pag-merge po.
Yung nagsasama sa project.
Nagkaroon sila ng project na magkasama.
Like yung serie ng Joshua, di ba?
Yung Jody sa
GMA and ABS yun.
Nag-join sila.
Ako po, sagot ko lang dyan, I will listen to ABS. Yun naman po, whatever they give me. We've been working, so all these projects that I'm doing naman kasi are under them as well. So, what can I say about this? Hindi ko po alam eh. This is the first time it's happening. It's very new to us. I'm not trying to sound hypocrite or anything. It's just really new to us, so I don't want to take it, but at the same time, good for them, good for the ABS-CBN. Now we're already partnering up with different networks, and I believe ABS wants to push of being content creators, really good content creators as they are. And how do I feel about it? I don't know, but depende po sa ABS na. I mean, naman work is work. I'll do what I have to do.
Gaano kahirap yung pagpuproduce ng pelikula bilang first-timer?
Hirap po, natuling nga ako eh. Natuling, hirapan ako dun. Hirapan ako, but I learned a lot. I learned a lot, and I still am a work in progress. So it's fun learning about producing and how you could actually create stories really more than creating the story for an actor. That's the fun part. And really, literally out of the box ideas. It's more flexible now that it's online. So mas nagiging realistically inclined na yung ibang stories. So I appreciate that. I appreciate the growth, see the growth of the industry, different producers.